I'm Kat here at 4M Analytics, where your utility research and project planning begins. Today, I'll show you how to invite, manage, and collaborate with your team in 4M. It's quick and easy to work with your team on early scoping, feasibility analysis, project pursuits, preliminary designs, and other infrastructure activities. So let's get started. To begin, expand your profile by clicking on the initials of your name on the top right corner and select Invite Colleagues. Enter their email and assign their permission from the drop-down menu. Choose Admin to give users the highest access level. They can create and view projects, order data in different tiers, and invite new and manage existing users. Choose Project Purchaser to give users the permission to create and view projects and order data in different tiers. Members in this group can invite others, but only of the same permissions level. Finally, choose Project Collaborator to give users the permission to create and view projects with limited access to place orders for foundation data only. Members in this group cannot invite other team members. When you're done adding your teammates, click Send. There are no limits on invitations, so feel free to invite your entire team into the platform. Keep in mind, if you assigned the wrong access levels to your team members, no worries, your admin can reassign them in settings in the Team Management tab. And that's how simple it is. Fast, easy, and reliable utility mapping and analytics in just a few minutes.